Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new website where you can get a very useful wallet in which you can create more and more cryptocurrency. You can add and withdraw and deposit in this wallet. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Zcash, Ripple, USDT coin, Bitcoin Cash, Dashcoin, Tether and Tron. You can check each and everything about this website. You did not find the right currency, please write to our email and we will discuss this problem. You can check advantage of this service. You can read all of these 4 or 6 options to make your wallet very easily and freely. You can see how much address is created from this website and how much merchants are using and how much user on this wallet address. Now I am going to show you how can you sign up, how can you register on this web's PayWallet, and I will teach you each and everything in detail. Now I am going to show you how can you register on this website, and if you have any query and any question about this wallet address, you just need to go FAQ option button. And here you can see this is a question to which I have not found an answer. What should I do? You can check each and every question if you have. You can check here your payments and each thing about this wallet. Now I am going to show you how can you register on this website. We have home, wallet, merchant, about us and API and FAQ button. Here is a registration button. I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. Wallet and acceptance of payments in cryptocurrency. This is very useful wallet for all of us. Here you need to put your email and put your password at 2 places, then accept terms and conditions, then click on registration. You can register on this wallet address very easily and carefully. Now I have already create my account on this website wallet, and I am going to log in on this website wallet and I will teach you each and everything about this wallet. The first of all, you will get a email from this wallet maker to create that you are a valid user on this website. This type of email you will get from this wallet, and you have to click here and verify your email by using this option, and you will create your account and verify account very easily. Then you can log in on this wallet address very easily. You can check here. We will go Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tether and even of 11 cryptocurrencies to make our deposit withdraw on this website. And we have other options that is called merchant and API. Merchant and API are those options which a user who developed website or games and more other website on internet, then they will connect their this wallet with their websites very easily and make their withdraw on it very easily and useful. If you are this type of user that create website on the web and internet, then you can use merchant and API, and you can also check other options. Now this is also you can see for developers. If you are developer on the internet, then you can check these options very easily. I am not developer, that's why I am not going to do anything about these 5 options. Now I will show you how can you withdraw or deposit on this website. If you can want to deposit in Litecoin, then you just need to click on deposit button, and here it will take processing, and here you will go to Litecoin wallet address, and address is address pay wallet. You just need to copy this address and paste this address in website in any other. You can deposit on it very easily and freely. Now we have other option that is called withdrawal. If you want to take withdraw from this website in your any other money amount wallet, then you can also select here pay wallet and address of Litecoin. Then if you want to create any more wallet, you can see, you can paste here and you can receiving amount and the white of amount, and after these amount or those amount, how much amount you can receive from this wallet and how much you can receive after taking these website wallet address acceptance and accountants. Now hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me thumb button and please subscribe my channel if you want more video in future. If you want more video about cryptocurrency, how can you earn cryptocurrency and how can you mine cryptocurrency very easily and freely, you have to subscribe my channel if you want more in future. I will bring more video for all of you to create these type of cryptocurrencies and wallet address and make free cryptocurrency without deposit, without investment. Hopefully you like it, and if you like it, then you have to subscribe my channel